In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel booking and get a full refund on Agoda. I'll guide you through the process in a simple and easy-to-understand way so you can manage your reservation without confusion. Whether your travel plans suddenly changed or you simply need to modify your trip, knowing how to cancel a booking properly can help you avoid unnecessary stress and ensure you receive any eligible refund as quickly as possible. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or laptop. In this tutorial, we'll use Google Chrome, but you can follow the same process using any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the Agoda website by typing the official Agoda address into the search bar and opening the correct website from the search results. After the Agoda homepage loads, take a look at the top section of the page. You'll find several navigation options there along with your profile icon. Click on the profile icon to open your account menu. This area gives you access to your account settings, reservations, and travel information. When the menu appears, select the option labeled Bookings. This will take you directly to the section where all your Agoda reservations are stored. Once you enter the Bookings page, you'll be able to view your reservations in different categories for easier organization. On the left side of the screen, look for the My Bookings section and select All Bookings. Agoda usually organizes reservations into categories such as Upcoming, Completed, and Canceled. The Upcoming section contains reservations that are still active and scheduled for future travel dates, while the other tabs help you review your previous or canceled reservations. Now locate the booking you want to cancel under the Upcoming section. Click on the reservation to open the full booking details page. Depending on the reservation, you may see a Cancel Booking option either near the top of the page or within the Booking Conditions section toward the bottom. After selecting Cancel Booking, a confirmation window will appear on your screen. Agoda may ask you to choose a reason for the cancellation using a drop-down menu. Select the reason that best matches your situation, then continue by clicking the option to proceed with the cancellation. On the next page, Agoda will ask you to confirm your decision one final time. Click the button that says Cancel this booking. Once the cancellation is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message on the screen letting you know that your reservation has been canceled successfully. Agoda will also send a confirmation email shortly afterward with the cancellation details and refund information if your booking qualifies for a full refund. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.